Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen if you're a regular. Before we go any further, hit the subscribe button so you'll know when I'm uploading new videos. I'm going to be making Frituras de Bacalao fritters, and it's a really quick recipe to make, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So let's get started. Hola mis amores, bienvenido a mi cocina. Hoy les traigo una receta muy deliciosa, bacalao, fritura de bacalao. Es muy fácil para hacer. Vamos a empezar. I'm using a half a pound of codfish, media libra de bacalao, 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 taza de harina, a quarter cup of cornstarch, 1/4 taza de maizena, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, una cucharada de polvo en hornear. I'm using garlic, cloves minced, ajo picadito. I'm using half of an onion, a media cebolla. I'm using a quarter of a red pepper and green pepper, media pimiento verde y rojo, 2 eggs, 2 huevos, y cilantro. For the dry ingredients, I'm using sazon, homemade, and sazon completa, homemade, and I'm using black pepper. So we're going to start flaking our bacalao, our codfish, so that we can start making our frituras. Vamos a desmenuzar el bacalao para hacer nuestras frituras. So after we do this, then we're going to add 2 beaten eggs to a bowl, and we're going to start adding all our other ingredients. We're going to add the flour, the cornstarch, the baking powder, and the vegetables. And then lastly, we're going to add in our bacalao. Le puse 2 huevos batidos y entonces añadimos la harina, maicena y polvo hornear. Now we're going to add in our dry seasoning. We're going to add in the sazon completa, and the black pepper. Añadimos sazon completa y pimienta negra. Necesitamos un poquito de toda. So we just need a little bit of the seasoning. We don't need a lot of seasoning. We don't want to overpower our batter. So now we're going to mix our batter so we don't have any lumps. Vamos a mezclar nuestra masa para evitar grumas. Now I'm adding a quarter cup of water to mix in our batter. Usando 4 tazas de agua para mezclar nuestra masa. Now we're going to add in our vegetables and we're going to mix all that together, and then we're going to add in our fish. Vamos a poner la cebolla, los pimientos, ajo, cilantro, y pescado lavado. I'm also adding in 1 ají cachucha, and I didn't mention that earlier, but I'm just going to add that in because I love the taste of it. It's sweet, it's not a hot pepper. Y también le voy a poner una ají cachucha porque me gusta el sabor. Okay, so we're going to mix everything together, and then we're going to add in our fish, and we're going to start frying up our frituras. Now, we're almost ready to fry our frituras, but one thing I want to mention is that you have to really keep an eye on these. You cannot walk away from the stove. They fry really, really quickly. Like, I think less than a minute. Like, I think 30 seconds on each side. And I like to add lime into my batter, so it gives it a nice flavor. Me gusta añadir un poquito de zumo de lima porque le da un sabor fresco. Una cosa tiene que recordar es estas quemaduras rápidamente. Ojo mucho. One thing to remember is when you're frying these, stay by the stove. Do not walk away from the stove because these burn really, really quickly. And if you want to, you can make a dipping sauce for this. It goes well with mojo. You can make a garlic sauce with mayonnaise and whatever kind of sauce you want to make. It really is delicious. Puede hacer una salsa de mayonesa con ajo o mojo si quiere. Ya casi estoy terminando freír las frituras. So we are finished frying up our frituras, and now we're going to enjoy them. So here are my delicious frituras de bacalao. They look really delicious, and they are quick to make. It doesn't take that much to do to make these, and as you can see, they're really easy. Aquí tiene mis frituras de bacalao. y añade un poco de zumo de lima porque le da un sabor fresco. So I'm going to take one and I'm going to open it up so you can see what it looks like. And I'm also going to take a bite so you can know what the texture is like. Not only are they spongy and fluffy, they are nice and crunchy.
Oh, this is heaven. These things are delicious for breakfast.
Me quedaron muy riquísimas. Son ligera, esponjosa y crujiente. Riquísimas. Perfectas. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go, but thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Bye-bye.